This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately. Get into a supine position with head slightly elevated so breathing is easier. Once steady, relax your jaw and drop tension in your shoulders. This reduces panic triggers. Now use slow abdominal breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6, because calm rhythm lowers sympathetic arousal. Keep your mind on the breath only, not the hallucination or paralysis. That focus shifts neural priority away from fear circuits, which helps interrupt the episode. Once breathing steadies, try to move a single digit, one toe or one finger, because small motor commands are easier to execute when paralysis is partial. If you succeed, expand movement outward slowly. Toe then foot then ankle, because progressive recruitment builds a motor cascade that can restore control. If muscles won't respond, visualize moving that same digit vividly. Mental rehearsal activates motor pathways and can be enough to break the lock between brain and body. When you regain movement, sit up deliberately and ground yourself with deep breaths and tactile contact. Touch a sheet or the mattress to confirm safety. If paralysis stubbornly persists, switch tactics. Try rapid, controlled 1-second inhale, 1-second exhale for 30 seconds to jolt autonomic tone. This can reset arousal. Finally, make a brief note of potential triggers like sleep deprivation, alcohol, or stress, because addressing those reduces future episodes and reinforces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.